Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SurveyMonkey online surveys detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the SurveyMonkey website. If you do not already have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in your email address and choose a password, then click sign up. If you have an account, click on log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the SurveyMonkey dashboard. To start a new survey, click on the Create Survey button. You will have the option to start from scratch or use a template. If you choose a template, browse through the available options and select the one that fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on the template to open it. If starting from scratch, provide a name for your survey in the designated field. Next, you'll be taken to the Survey Builder interface. Here, you can add questions by clicking on the Add Question button. Choose the type of question you want to add from the provided options. You can select multiple choice, open-ended, rating scale, or various other formats. After selecting the question type, type your question in the text box. If applicable, fill in the answer choices for your question. Once you're satisfied with your questions, you can rearrange them by dragging and dropping. Continue adding questions until your survey is complete. To preview your survey, click on the Preview button located at the top of the screen. Review how the survey looks and functions from the respondent's perspective. Make any necessary adjustments by returning to the Survey Builder. When you are ready to distribute your survey, click on the Collect Responses tab. Here, you will find multiple options for sharing your survey, including email invitations and social media links. Choose the method that best suits your audience and follow the prompts to set it up. Once everything is configured, copy the link provided and share it with your respondents. After your survey has been distributed, monitor the responses by returning to the dashboard. Click on your survey name for detailed analytics and insights. Review the data to gather valuable feedback from your audience. Remember to save any changes regularly as you work on your survey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.